Hello students, today I am going to discuss with you the conditions for the long run equilibrium under monopoly market. Objective of the firm under monopoly is to maximize profit. For this, the firm in this market is in the equilibrium when profit is maximum. So when the equilibrium condition of the firm is to maximize the profit, when the profit is maximum, the firm is in the equilibrium position. In the long run, to attain the equilibrium position, the firm can change the scales of production, but no new firms can enter into the market. Because it is a monopoly market, the condition of the monopoly remains the same. No new firms can enter into the market or no old firm can exit from the market. In the long run, the monopoly firm can earn excess profit, or it can earn or it can earn normal profit. Here, the objective of the firm in the monopoly is to maximize profit. When profit is maximum, new firms cannot enter the market in the long run. When profit is maximum, no new firms cannot enter the market in the long run. The monopoly firm in the long run can earn normal profit or supernormal profit. Now, what is the condition for the long run equilibrium? The condition for the long run equilibrium under monopoly is marginal revenue equal to long run marginal cost. That is MR equal to LMC. At the equilibrium point, marginal revenue curve towards the marginal cost curve towards the marginal revenue curve from below. That is, the marginal cost curve is rising. It is the same condition. The condition is almost same in the short run condition of the monopoly, but only difference is that in the short run there is short run MC curve, that is SNC or MC. Here we use long run MC LNC instead of NC, or long run LSC instead of AC. This is the only difference. Here we have measured, this is the situation of the where the firm is under long run equilibrium. We have measured output in the x-axis and price, cost and revenue in the y-axis. Here this one is the LNC curve, that is the long run marginal cost curve, and this one is the LAC curve, that is the long run average cost curve. This downward sloping straight line is the AR curve, and this downward sloping straight line is the MR curve. The MR curve runs halfway to the AR curve. The condition for the equilibrium is MR equal to LMC. So the equilibrium occurs at the point A, where the MR curve curves the LMC curve. The intersection point of MR and LNC curve is the equilibrium point, and it is a point A. This A is the equilibrium point. From A, we draw perpendicular AM to the x-axis, and we extend AM to the point E, which is on the AR curve. From E, we again draw perpendicular to the point D, which is on the y-axis. The line EM cuts the LAC curve at the point B. LAC means the long run average cost curve. This one, this U-shaped curve. The line EM cuts the LAC curve at the point B. From B, we again draw a perpendicular BC to the y-axis. Now, equilibrium point is A. So equilibrium output is OM and equilibrium price is OC. OD, sorry. Equilibrium price is OD. Total revenue is equal to equilibrium quantity and equilibrium into equilibrium price, that is OD into OM, that is ODEM. Here, total revenue ODEM, this one. Long run average cost per unit is this BM and equilibrium output is OM. So the total cost in the long run is given by OMBC, that is the equilibrium output into the long run average cost, that is OCBM. This is written here, TC equal to OCBM. What is the profit? Profit is the tier minus TC, that is ODEM minus OCBM, which is given by CDEB. This rectangle represents the profit of the firm under long run monopoly. So we can see the firm is earning excess profit. Here is a situation where the long run firm is earning normal profit. The equilibrium same, by obeying the same equilibrium condition, the equilibrium is attained at the point A, where LMC is intersected by the MR curve. The MR A is a point of intersection between LMC and MR. From A, we draw perpendicular AM to the x-axis and we extend AM to the point E, which is the point on the air curve as well as on the point, as well as a point on the LAC curve. We extend the AM to the point E, which is the point on the air curve as well as a point on the LAC curve. From E, we draw perpendicular ED to the y-axis. Here, total revenue is equilibrium price is OD and equilibrium quantity is OM, and total revenue is ODEM. This rectangle represents the total revenue, and EM is the long run elastic average cost. By multiplying long run average cost by the equilibrium output OM, we get total cost, long run total cost, that is ODEM. So OM into EM gives us ODEM, which is TC. Here TR is equal to ODEM, TC equal to ODEM, TR equal to TC. Monopoly firm is earning normal profit. When TR is equal to TC, the profit becomes zero, that is the firm is earning normal profit. So in the long run, the monopoly firm can earn excess profit or it may earn normal profit. That's all.